It's not giving me Winter Wonderland yet. Ty, we need more lights. Oh, hey! Yat et Keshmish. Merry Christmas, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm stringing it. And that's for like a rope, a wire, Christmas lights, or garland. To say that in Navajo, you say, Bik'i Naasht'i. Bik'i Naasht'i. Bik'i means over it. Naasht'i means I'm stringing it. And that's present tense. To say I'm putting Christmas lights on the house, I would say Christmas lights howan Bik'i Naasht'i. Or Keshmishko indadil tlegi howan Bik'i Naasht'i. If I'm telling you to string it, I would say Bik'i Naasht'i. Bik'i Naasht'i. If I'm telling you to put Christmas garland on the tree, I would say garland tis Bik'i Naasht'i. Or Keshmishko be naatloagi tis Bik'i Naasht'i. If Ty is putting Christmas lights on the tree, I would say Ty, Christmas lights tis Bik'i Naasht'i. Or Ty, Keshmishko indadil tlegi tis Bik'i Naasht'i. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day, Bik'i Naasht'i. I'm stringing it. Have a nice day. Aro Yat e Keshmish.